Good morning students. In our last video we have learned the formula, the theorem, sum of first n terms of an AP, and we have also solved example number 11. In this video we are going to solve example number 12 and our exercise 5.3. The example number 12 is, if the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, find the 20th term. It means first term is 10, the value of A is equal to 10, and the sum of first 14 term, S14. S14 means sum of 14 term. S14 is equal to 1050, and you have to find the 20th term. It means you have to find A20. Okay, so sum का formula क्या होता है बेटा? Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is your sum of first n terms of an AP. ठीक है, Sn की वैल्यू यानी S14 की वैल्यू कितनी है? 1050. n की वैल्यू S14 यानी कि n की वैल्यू कितनी हुई? 14 upon 2 in bracket 2 value of A is 10 plus n की वैल्यू 14 minus 1 and d की वैल्यू यहाँ से हम फाइंड करेंगे. plus 13d upon 7 is equal to in bracket 20 plus 13d 150. 15 sevens are 105. It becomes 15. 150 is equal to 20 plus 13d. minus 20 is equal to 13d. 13d. d is equal to 130 upon 13. It becomes 10. So the value of d is equal to 10. d की वैल्यू क्या आ गई बेटा? 10 आ गई. ओके, अब जब d की वैल्यू 10 आ गई, now it's very easy to find A20. A20 is equal to A plus in bracket 20 minus 1 into D is equal to value of A is 10 plus 19 into 10 is equal to 10 plus 190. It becomes 200. Means A20 is equal to 200. Now I'll explain it again. The first term is A10. The sum of 14 term is 1050. These two values you have given in your question. You have given. Now A20. The value of A20 you have to find it. Okay. Sum. What is the formula for finding the sum of first and its term? Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now put all the values in this equation and find the value of d. d is equal to 10. Now जब d की वैल्यू 10 आ गई तो हमारे लिए A20 फाइंड करना बहुत इजी था. A20 is equal to a plus 20 minus 1 into d. 10 plus 19 to 10 it becomes 200. Is it clear, student? Example number 14. Example number 14 is find the sum of the first 1000 positive integers. First 1000 positive integers का आपको sum find करना है. Okay, so let s is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus it becomes plus 1000. Is it same as जैसे कि मैंने आपको थ्योरम प्रूफ करने के टाइम ही समझाया था कि फर्स्ट 100 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स का सम हम कैसे फाइंड करते हैं, सेम एज हम फर्स्ट 1000 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स का भी सम फाइंड करेंगे. We know the value of first term, it is 1. We know the value of last term, it is 1000. Now apply the formula s 1000 is equal to n upon 2 in bracket a plus l, where n is 1000 upon 2, a is 1 and l is 1000. How many terms are here? There are 1000 terms. ओके डन. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना था, 1000 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स का सम फाइंड करना था. तो 1000 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स हम ऐसे ही लिख सकते हैं. उनका सम फर्स्ट टर्म a है एंड फर्स्ट टर्म इज 1 एंड द लास्ट टर्म इज 1000. नाउ फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे. विच फॉर्मूला? Sn इज इक्वल टू n by 2 इन ब्रैकेट a प्लस l, बिकॉज हमें यहाँ पे d की नीड नहीं है. फर्स्ट टर्म और लास्ट टर्म हमें पता है. वी कैन फाइंड वेरी इजी. Now the example number 14 का second part. Okay, example number 14 का second part क्या है? The first n positive integers. First n positive integers का आपको sum find करना है. ठीक है, तो Sn क्या हो जाएगा? Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n. Okay, where first term a is 1 and the last term l is n. Now apply the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket a plus l. Okay, so Sn is equal to n by 2. How many terms are here? N terms are here. A plus what is the last term? N. Is it n? And the first term is 1. यहाँ पे हम 1 पुट करेंगे. The first term is 1. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. How many terms are there? N terms. N upon 2. What is the first term? 1. And what is the last term? It is n. So it is n in bracket n plus 1 by 2. Done. Now children, rest of examples आप खुद से solve कीजिएगा. Now start exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3, question number 1, first part. 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms. Okay? Children, you have to find the sum of the following APs. This is your given AP. You have to find the sum of this AP. The first term is 2 and the how many terms are here? 10 terms are here. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 7 minus 2, it becomes 5 and n is equal to 10. Okay, now apply the formula S10. Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S10 is equal to 10 upon 2 in bracket 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into d, it becomes 5 is equal to 5. 2 is a 4 plus 10 minus 1 becomes 9 into 5. 45. 4 plus 45 is equal to 5 into 49. So the sum of first 10 term is 245 of this AP series. This is your required answer. Now the first question. Fourth part. 1 upon 15, comma 1 upon 12, comma 1 upon 10, and so on to 11 terms. Okay. So the first term A is 1 upon 15. D, common difference D is equal to 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 15. LCM is 60. बेटा इसको कॉमन मैथमेटिक्स से हम सॉल्व करेंगे. एलसीएम लेंगे 12 और 15 का, इट बिकम 60. 12 के टेबल में 60 5 टाइम्स में आता है. 5 1 जा 5 एंड 15 के टेबल में 60 इट बिकम्स 4 टाइम्स. 4 1 जा 4, it becomes 1 upon 60. So the value of D is 1 upon 60 and the value of N is 11. So apply the formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. S11 is equal to 11 upon 2 in bracket 2 into 1 upon 15 bracket 11 minus 1 into 1 upon 60. S11 is equal to 11 upon 2, 2 upon 15 plus 11 minus 1 becomes 10 into 1 upon 60. S11 your required answer. आप इसको कॉमन मैथमेटिक्स से सॉल्व करेंगे. इट विल बिकम 33 upon 20. Now the question number 2. Question number 2. Find the sum of given below. Okay. The first part is 7 plus 10 whole 1 upon 2 plus 14 plus 84. Okay. This is your required series. Here we can see the first term is A and the last term is L is 84 and D. The first term is this and the second term is this. And we don't know the value of n. Here we don't know the value of n, हमें n की वैल्यू नहीं पता है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर हम सबसे पहले क्या फाइंड करेंगे, द वैल्यू ऑफ n। सीरीज हमें पता है a इज इक्वल टू 7, n इज इक्वल टू लास्ट हम 84, n वी डोंट नो, n की वैल्यू हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे, n की वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए a n इज इक्वल टू a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू d, वी नो द फॉर्मूला